Okay, I know it's been a while. That's the way it's gonna be on this channel. But this is, if you guys have been here for a while, I had an SMC up here, that old crusty SMC. We took that down and put this up about a year and a half ago, in September 2023. It's one of those brand new, long cover for no reason Westinghouse Petites, and it's in brushed nickel. I don't think that's ever been on YouTube before, and it's the first time of me seeing it in person, or well, when I put this fan up. And we did paint these black. On the other side, it's one side. On the other side, it's that red color. And these pull chains are not original, but there's the light. Let's go low speed. Pretty speedy for low speed. There's a little hum, but it blows already a lot of air for low speed. Let's go medium. Wobbles a little bit. This is the speed we mostly use it on. Let's turn on the light. It hums, it's noticeable, but it's not loud at all. Go high speed. This is where it wobbles a bunch. Then it subsides. Blows a lot of air. It still hums. It's noticeable again, but it's not that loud at all. You can hear the air mostly. And off. So there you go. Thank you for watching, I guess. I'm gonna disappear for probably another year or two. There you go.